this is Reena. I hope you guys are doing great. So today I'm going to do a simple everyday makeup, but with my favorite foundation. This is my latest obsession. It's by K Beauty. So let's start this video. First things first, please excuse this dog barking behind. That's not my dog, okay? Kab se bhag raha hai, and then I'm trying to film this video. I'm sorry, I'm really sorry. So, I am obsessed with this foundation, as I told you. It's by K Beauty. This is Katrina Kaif's brand. It's a hydrating foundation. It is enriched with avocado plus mango butter. So this is for somebody who has dry skin or combination skin. I have dry skin, so it works really well for me. So this is their packaging. Looks great. The box is nice. My shade is 120 light. This is the bottle. Nice. I like the bottle. It's quite easy to use. You need to shake it first before you use it. So it says it's for 1200 rupees. I got a discount. I got it from this Nykaa store and I got it for around 780 or something. So thoda discount mila tha mujhe. And I'm going to apply the foundation. I have just used a moisturizer on my face और कुछ भी नहीं लगाया, just moisturizer, sunscreen, daytime है अभी, and I'm wearing my lovely pink top. So let's apply this. So shake it well. Again, this dog पता नहीं एक घंटे से it's been barking. Okay, so मैंने लिया 1, 2. I think that's more than enough. Let me show you the texture. It's really nice, very hydrating. Matches my skin tone. I'm gonna do a few dots here. Let me apply it on half of my face so that you get to know, and then second half we'll do later. So I'm just using my fingers, not using a brush. So I've done half of my face, if you can see. It's glowing, right? It's very hydrating, gives a nice glow, and this is just very little foundation that I've applied. So this foundation, it's not high coverage, okay? This is blendable, but not very high coverage. If you're looking for a high coverage foundation, this is not for you. This is an everyday foundation. Of course, you can build it up. Blends really well, but ये high coverage नहीं है. So apply the foundation. Don't forget to apply it on your neck. Very, very important. So foundation application is done. I'm not using any concealer. I'm going to take the same product and just dab it. That's all I'm going to do. So you can see, you can build this, but it's no full coverage again. I'm going to do a little bit of blush and mascara. This is by Makeup Revolution. So this is the blush, which I'm also going to apply it on my eyelids. And we'll also use it as a blush. I'm going to take this shimmer and highlight my inner corners. Just for a little bit of glam. Using the same palette as my blush. I'm gonna apply a little bit of mascara and come right back. Mascara done. Last thing is, of course, my lipstick. This is by Inside Cosmetics. Pink, of course, I'm wearing pink. So makeup's done. I think I look fab. I love this look. So again, this is K Beauty foundation. It's a brand by Katrina Kaif. I really like this foundation. Go ahead, try this only if you have combination skin or dry skin. And I hope you like this video, and please like, share, subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram account is Leena Gowda Official. I'll see you guys later. Bye guys.